Now let us move to exercise 18. Estimate the following products. See, estimation means rounding off. So look at number 3, 925 into 790. So if you look at the number line, you will see that suppose this is 700, 800, 900, 1000, and in between these two numbers you will have 750. In between these two numbers you will have 850. Between 900 and 1000 you will have 950. So 925 will be somewhere here between 900 and 950. That means this is 925. And 790 will be somewhere here. That is between 750 and 800. It will be more close to 800, isn't it? So now we have to round off. Round off means seeing that which number of hundreds, like 700, 800, 900, 1000, which number is more close to these numbers. That is 790 and 925. So if you see here, we are rounding off to nearest 100. So if you look at the tens digit, this is 2. Whenever we have to round off to any particular digit, say we are rounding off to 100 here. So we will be looking at the immediately next digit, the digit which is appearing just right next to this number, that is 2. So if you see this is less than 5. Since this is less than 5, that means this number will remain as it is, 9 will remain 9, and all the other numbers will become 0. So the nearest hundreds from 925 is 900. You can see here also, 900 is more close to 925 than 1000. So we are rounding this off to 900. In the same way, 790. Again, here also we have to round off to nearest hundreds. So for rounding off to nearest hundreds, we have to look at the tens digit. Here the tens digit is 9. Since 9 is greater than 5, that means in the hundreds place, we will be adding 1. So 7 will become 8. Here 7 will become 8 and all these two digits will become 0. Also in the number line you can see that 790 is more close to 800 than 700. That is why we are rounding off till 800. Now you have to find the product of 900 and 800. So 900 into 800, again this two places 0, 0. So this row and this row will be zeros. And 8 into 0 is 0, 8 zeros are 0, 8 nines are 72. If you add this up, you will get 7,20,000. So the estimated product is 7,20,000. There is a shortcut to doing this kind of calculation or this kind of multiplication. You can see here. See, 900 and 800, you have to multiply these two numbers. You can see in 900 there are two zeros, and in 800 there are 2 zeros at the back. We cannot take zeros if it is in between any other digit. Suppose there are zeros, suppose it would have been 908. Then we will not be considering that 0. Since there are two zeros at the end, we will be taking these 2 zeros. So here there are total 4 zeros. So you ignore these 4 zeros for once. Then you will be left with 9 and 8. So 9 into 8 is 72. And there are 4 zeros, you just put these 4 zeros at the end. So this becomes 7,20,000. Same here, 7,20,000. So ignore the last 2 zeros for once and you can multiply the remaining digits, and whatever answer you got, the number of zeros that you have already taken aside, you have to just put those zeros at the end. So that number will be same. Number 4. A man earns rupees 938 every day. Estimate his earnings for the month of February. So earnings of one day is given rupees 938 and number of days in February is 28. So the estimated earnings for the month of February, that means we have to round off these two numbers. So if you round off 938 to nearest hundreds, you will get 900 because see if you are rounding off to nearest hundred, you have to look at the tens digit. So tens digit is 3. That means 3 is less than 5. So we have to leave this 9 as it is. and this 3 and 8, instead of 3 and 8, there will be 2 zeros. So 938 will become 900 and 28. The nearest tens for 28 is 30. So 900 into 30, you will get 27,000. See, you can do it that way. 9 into 3 is 27 and there are 3 zeros. So you put 3 zeros at the end. So 27,000. Therefore, the estimated earnings for the month of February is rupees 27,000. Don't forget to put the units properly. Suppose here, see here the unit will be, earnings will be in rupees. So you have to put rupees here. Now look at question number 6. Vineet sells 527 stickers every day. Estimate the number of stickers he will sell in 4 months, that is January to April. So, number of stickers sold in 1 day is 527 and number of days in 4 months, that is approximately we have taken 30 days in a month. So, number of days in 4 months will be 30 into 4, that is 120 days. So, if you round off these two numbers, that is 527 and 120. See, 120 we have already rounded off, that is why we have taken approximate here. Because we have taken 30 days in a month on an average. So, no need to round off 120, we will leave 120 as it is. Why are we leaving this? Because we have already rounded off here. We are taking 30 days in a month on an average. And 527, if you round this off to nearest hundreds, you have to see a tens place. Here in the tens place, there is 2. And 2 is less than 5. So, 5 in the hundreds place will remain as it is. And the last 2 digits will become 0. So, 525, when you round this off, it becomes 500. And 120 will remain as it is. So, 500 into 120. See again, 12 into 5 is 60. So, you can simply write 60 and you can put 1, 2, 3. So, 3 zeros here. So, this becomes 60,000. Therefore, number of stickers sold in 4 months is equal to 60,000.